So when someone tells you that you can do so-and-so and avoid this and avoid that, all right, play the part beautifully. Take the law and use it wonderfully well. Use it. But may I tell you, you will not avoid the pain and the suffering, essential parts, for joy and woe are woven fine, a garment for the soul divine. Now, a few of you are having some strange, interesting, mystical experiences. I'll go along with Blake because I, too, have gone through the worlds of which he speaks. I traveled through a land of men and women, too, and heard and saw such dreadful things as cold earth wanderers never knew. His wonderful poem, The Mental Traveler. I know from my own experience that's exactly how it happens. I pass through these worlds night after night, and I see exactly what he's describing. And some of you are passing through these states now, and you are scaring to death those who love you, and think that something is wrong with you. May I tell you, not a thing is wrong with you. You are near the end. Who would want to stop it when you're near the end to receive the crown? So, you've fought the good fight, and you've finished the race, and you've kept the faith. And now there's laid up for you the crown of righteousness. Let no one now bother me, for I bear on my body the marks of Jesus. Is anything too hard for the Lord?